Hello everyone, my name is Michelle. Welcome to this channel. And today together we will do a 12-minute yoga flow to relax and wind down, to release all the stress that we accumulated during the day. We need simply a mat and support like a pillow or a bolster, whatever you have. And we will start sitting in a comfortable position. Legs crossed usually works. So as long as we keep our back straight. So let's start. Back straight. Let's roll those shoulders back and down. Let's put our hands in prayer pose or palms facing upwards, resting on our thighs. And let's gently close our eyes. Let's start to bring awareness to our breath. Let's notice the air that enters and the air that exits our body. Let's relax your shoulders, your legs. And let's bring our awareness to our physical body. Let's feel all the points and contact with the mat. Let's feel our clothes in contact with your skin. And the air in contact with your face. Let's open our practice with the mantra Om. A big inhale from your nostrils. Big inhale and big exhale. And gently, let's open our eyes. From here, let's start with some neck rotation. So inhaling, looking up, and exhaling, looking to the ground. Let's relax our shoulders. Let's pay attention at the movement happening in your neck. Let's change direction. Inhale up and exhale down. So next inhale, let's come back to center. And here let's bring our hands over our shoulders. And let's do some shoulder rotations. Exhaling, closing our elbows, and inhaling, opening your chest. Let's release tension from our shoulders. Let's connect to our breaths. Let's change directions. And exhale, relax. Shake it out. From here, let's inhale, lift our arms, stretch your spines, and exhale down. One more time, inhale. Exhale. Now let's inhale, lift. And this time, exhale, only the right arm goes down. And same like with your hip, let's slide to the right. And let's stretch out all the left side. And let's look towards the ceiling. Inhale, lift our arms up. And exhale, let's go to the other side. One more time, inhale, lift, exhale, right. Inhale, lift, exhale, left. Now let's inhale, lift, exhale, twist to the right and look back. Let's keep our back straight, left hand on the right knee. And inhaling, we long our spine and exhale. Press and look back. Inhale, exhale. With the next inhale, let's lift our arms to the sky and exhale, let's go to the other side. Inhale. And exhale. One more. Inhale, let's lift our arms to the sky and exhale. Hands down, let's slide forward and let's relax. Or pillow, and let's keep it to the side for later. Let's bring our hands forward. Let's get into a tabletop. We will stretch our spine here with these gentle movements to release all the stress and tension we accumulated during the day. And with an inhale, we arch your spines and look up. And exhale, round your spine, look down, tuck your tailbone in. And let's continue. Inhale, arch. Exhale, round. Continue at your own pace. Inhale, arch. And exhale, round. 2 more times. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale to a flat back. And from here, let's inhale, open our chest, lift your right arm up. And exhaling, bring the right arm underneath the left. Bend the left arm, cheek to the ground. So let's do it again. Inhale, reach up, open your chest, and exhale down. This time, staying down, we just shift our hips closer to your heels and extend the left arm forward. Let's bring some pressure on the right shoulder. And let's enjoy the nice stretch of the tricep and shoulder. One more breath. With the next inhale, let's plant our left palm to the ground. Inhale, reach, and exhale, right hand on the ground. Let's change sides. Inhale, left arm up, and exhale, left underneath the right. One more inhale. Exhale. Let's shift your weight back, hips on your heels, and let's stretch your right arm forward. 2 big breaths in this position. 2 full and deep breaths. So next inhale, let's place your right palm on the ground. Inhale, left arm up to the sky, and exhale, left hand down. From this position, we'll make your hands slide forwards. Let's keep your hips in the same line as your knees. This is a beautiful stretch for our upper backs. Let's get into puppy dog position. Feel free to keep your chin on the ground, chest, or if you cannot, your forehead. If your forehead doesn't touch, you can bring your cushion underneath your forehead. So in this position, with every exhale, let's try to bring your chest closer to the ground. Inhale big. Exhale completely. 2 more times. Last one. Nice. From this position, let's bend our arms, hands overhead in prayer pose. Let's feel a nice stretch on our triceps. 2 big breaths here. One more. And release. Hands on the ground. Let's slide forward. Keep your elbows on the ground in this Phoenix position. Lift high. Don't sink into the mat. Lift. And exhale. Drop down. From here, let's bring your hands outside of the mat at a 90 degrees angle. You will lift your chest slightly, don't need to fully extend. And extend, let's drop our left shoulder on the ground and left cheek on the ground. Turning your face to the right. Inhale, center. Exhale, change. You should feel a nice stretch on our shoulders. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale. Bring your hands closer to your chest. Inhale to a baby cobra. And exhale, let's round the spine. And let's get into a child pose. Let's rest in child pose. Feel free to bring your hands back. If you feel uncomfortable, you can use a pillow between heels and hips. Relax your arms along your body, so relax your forehead on the ground. And let's bring your focus to your breaths. And feel that with every breath that we take, our body gets more relaxed and relaxed. And let's feel that with the next breath we take, that our body sinks completely into the mat. And let's let go of any tension left in our body. And let's take a few more moments just for ourselves, to be in peace and to be focused only on us. And if your mind starts to wander, we'll bring it back to your breath. Slowly and gently, whenever you feel ready, you can start to wiggle your fingers. You can start to open your eyes. And slowly, at your own pace, start to revert that vibrator and make your way back up to a sitting position. The head comes back for last. Roll gently your shoulders back. Let's end our practice with an Om and 3 Shantis that mean peace. Hands over your lap or in prayer pose. Big inhale. Big breath in and big breath out from your mouth. And slowly open your eyes. Namaste.